Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about develop a Spring Boot application by using Spring Boot JDBC to fetch a single employee row or record. So I am using the Spring Boot JDBC to fetch a employee row. So setup, required setup. STS I am using, Oracle 11G I am using. You can use any version. Java version I am using 17. Spring Boot version I am using this. If you are getting any errors then you can change to this setup. Else you can use any other setup. So I will start coding. I'm creating project right now. File new Spring Starter project. So I'm mentioning project name, employee app, build type Maven, packaging jar, language Java, Java version 17, package com.in, app name description I'm giving same, package name, group name same. Next, so I am using Spring 3.3.1 latest version. So I am selecting here Spring Data JDBC. After that, I will remove data. Then it is Spring Boot JDBC. This I am selecting, and I am selecting Oracle driver. If required, remaining I can add later. So Lombok also I am selecting. Now I am selected Lombok Spring Boot JDBC Oracle driver. Next, finish. Wait some time. It will be importing the project. Import getting started context. So it is employee app. See, this is the project. See, it is pointing to Java 16, right? Then right click, build path, configure build path. Select this one, remove. After select this one, add library, JRE system library. This is default one. Apply, finish. Go to form.xml. So we are added Spring Boot data JDBC, right? We need to remove that here. Spring Boot starter data JDBC. Remove this part like this. We are added Oracle. This artifact ID OJDBC 11 Lombok added, right? Select, go to select a project name Maven, update Maven, force update. So it is updating. After updating is again pointing to system. So do one thing, build path, configure build path, remove this one, AR library, JRE system library, apply 17, right? Then go to resources. We need to add few key value pairs. So post one, Spring dot data source, Spring dot data source dot data source dot driver class name. Driver class name. We need to mention control space. It will give any suggestions or not. If not, Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. So Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. This is a class or interface. This is one. If you want to mention command, you can mention like database configuration properties, database configuration properties. After that, Spring dot data source URL. So in URL, JDBC colon Oracle colon JDBC colon Oracle colon 10 colon at localhost. That localhost means this Oracle is available in local system, and port number 1521 is a Oracle port number. After that, global name ORCL. I will show how to find global name. See, open the SQL plus. So somewhere is SQL plus will be there. Yeah, this one. Code is username, tiger is password. Select star from global underscore name. See, ORCL. So overseer. You can mention either in capital or small. Recommended to mention overseer in small. After that, spring dot data source dot username. Username is corp. So same thing copy. After that, username, password. Password is tiger. So database related properties added successfully. After that, we need to write a one query, right? See our question. Fetch a single employee row, right? That need one query. So I'm using app dot fetch one. This is the, so I'm writing one query here. Select star from EMP. Select star from EMP where EMP and O equal to question mark. So I will check this query is working or not first. Here, first I will pay this select star from EMP table is there or not. So for that, describe EMP. Yes, it is the EMP table is there. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns are there. So that's control V. So I'm hitting. First I can select star from EMP. So few records are there. So I'm taking this EMP number 7782. So if you want printing these, you can set pages equal to 150. Set pages 150. Set lines 150. Then you can run same query again. This is look like some pretty kind of, right? Then you can select star from EMP where EMP and O equal to, so 7782. So 7782. So this is our query. See, working as expected. So I want to retrieve same record by using the employee name. So this is the correct query. So no issues. Can mention database queries controllers. So this is the done. Take one configuration class. You can mention here dot configuration employee query configuration finish. So you can add here at configuration. After that, you can add at configuration properties. We need to pass prefix here. Prefix is app. I will show here. This is the app. This is the prefix, right? By after prefix, we need to add like so. Private string this. So after prefix is a like a variable. See, I want to retrieve this query by using this key. So I am using configuration properties prefix. I am added. Remaining part is there after prefix. It is like a field. So this is saying add Spring Boot configuration properties to M. That means it will add the one. It will add the one jar file. See, I will show. After clicking, it is added one dependency. This Spring Boot configuration processor is added. So control S. You can mention the getters and setters. So we are added longback and longback is configured in this configured to this ID. So I'm added getter and setters. So after that, create another package. So I'm taking like employee DAO. This should be interface. I will change to interface. So after that, one abstract method. So mention the public object I'm giving return type object. Like if you know, if you have a model like this employee model is there, you can use that employee model. So I don't have as of now any models in this, so I am using object like any type, like object. It will be like employee, student, any type. So after that, get employee by employee number. So we can give integer emp and semicolon control s. So package name change to com.in.do. Yeah. Then in do take another package dot impl, mention the class name, employee do impl interface there, right? Employee do area employee do finish. So this is the interface. In this interface I have one method is there. So we are overriding our class implements employee do, then we are overriding. So we need to inject two classes, to like JDBC template and employee query configuration AutoWare. So I'm doing AutoWare JDBC template JD at AutoWare and next provide employee query configuration. Recommended is full names, not the short name like employee configuration, not recommended. After that, so JD dot, so many methods are there. Need to find the what method is suitable for us. So we want to retrieve the single row. You can mention like query for, let's see, take query for map. What will say? The query is expected to be a single row query. The result row will be mapped to a one entry for each column, and the, so let's check the query for object. The query is expected to be a single row, single column. But our scenario, multiple columns are there, 8 columns are there, right? So the expected single row mapped to one entry for each column. So select this one. Post is query or object arguments, right? Query we will get by using this dot page one. After that, the object args. So we need to pass employee number, semicolon. We are passing like query, we are passing parameter values, we are passing, right? Param values. So take one object, we need to return object, right? Mention like response equal to null. This null you can add here. So return. Right. This is the done. Control S. So take one service package. So class dot service employee service. Finish. This is the class, you can change to interface. So I can take one method public object. This time you can fetch employee by employee number emp and o integer emp and o. So semicolon control S. I can take impl. So dot impl class name employee service impl add the interface employee service. Finish. This time we need to auto wire. This time we need to auto wire DAO here. So here we need to auto wire employee DAO interface. I am auto wiring. This is only single implementation, right? So no problems. You can use auto-wide. You can use that service DO implementation. We forgot to add. This is like a repository. If you are using data JPA, repository is optional. Here mandatory repository. So after that, dot fetch employee by MP number. Done. So in service, if you want to log or use SLF4J, SLF4J, you can add like log.import, log.import. If you want to know employee number, like you can add employee ID kind of. So you can take MP and like this way too. You can add the logger if you want any logger. So the done, service is done. Save this. Go to starter class. Go to starter class. So close once. Close the project. Open project. So you now getting packages in clear way. So open the starter class. This is the starter class. Here application context. Application context. CTX is equal to. So then CTX dot get bean. We need to pass service class. So service class is employee. The employee IMPL. This time we need to pass IMPL, not the interface. Dot class. Then it will return the object of service class. Recommended to mention the full name. So then take this reference dot call method get EMP by EMP and O. So I want to retrieve. So this record employee number is 7782. 7782. So this method will returning. See what will return. This method. The object, right? So mention object. Suppose response. If you want to print this SYSO system.out.println response. Yeah, control S. Select control shift F if you want to pretty format. So right click run as Java application. So we are getting the error that's where we cannot invoke configuration because this configuration is null. So we are getting the null. Let's verify why. So go to post here app dot spelling wrong fetch one. This is right only app dot fetch one. Go to configuration. So status added, configuration properties this added. Go to DAO IMPR. So here we are forgetted to auto at auto. So it is unable to create object, then it is giving the null. Getting another error. So we will try to resolve this. SQL command not properly ended. SQL command not properly ended. So syntax error. So let's go to application node. Select star from MP where spelling wrong. Control S. So maximize. Right click run as Java application. This way too we can resolve the errors if you are getting any errors. So don't fear if you are getting errors. Like don't think like you don't know anything. Just verify where you are did wrong. See, we are getting the employee record. DBT number 10. Verify matching or not. DBT number 10. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.